Most Orange County homeowners who delay downsizing do it because they're not ready. What most of them don't realize is that every year they wait, the cost of staying is going up quietly and significantly. Hi, I'm Paula Aragone, CEO of Aragone Associates. We have helped hundreds of families across Orange County, from Newport Beach to Yorba Linda and Huntington Beach, navigate complex real estate transactions, including downsizing, buying and selling at the same time, probate situations, and more. Strategy is what we do. Here are 4 costs most people aren't calculating when they decide to stay in their homes. First, maintenance and repair inflation. Labor costs for plumbing, roofing, electrical, and HVAC in Southern California have been rising 6 to 8% annually. A repair that used to be $2,000 3 years ago costs $3,000 today. And in a home that is 20 or 30 years old, the list of deferred items tends to grow, not shrink. The longer you stay, the more you're paying, and the more you're risking when deferred maintenance starts compounding. Second, insurance. This is one that is catching a lot of OC homeowners off guard right now. Insurance companies have significantly tightened their underwriting in California. Many homeowners are finding their policies canceled or their premiums have doubled or tripled, not because anything changed with their coverage, but because the insurer reassessed the property's condition or risk profile. And a large aging home in a hillside or coastal area carries real insurance exposure. That cost is rising and in many cases is now unpredictable. Third, the opportunity cost of locked equity. We talked about this in a previous video. The average long-term OC homeowner is sitting on $800,000 to over $1 million in equity. That equity is not working for you while it's sitting in the house. That money is not in the market. It's not generating income, and it's not funding your retirement. Every year you delay, that's another year of opportunity cost on capital that could be deployed more productively. Fourth, timing the move itself. The market doesn't stay the same. Right now, Orange County inventory is at its highest level since before the pandemic, which means sellers have a ready audience and buyers have choices. That window won't be open indefinitely. The families who make the move when conditions support it tend to have better experiences financially and logistically than the ones who wait until circumstances force the decision. I'm not saying everyone should downsize. What I'm saying is that the decision to stay in a large home deserves the same careful analysis as the decision to move. If you've been putting off that conversation because you're not ready, that's completely understandable, but it's worth knowing that the real cost of waiting actually looks like for your specific situation. That's a conversation we're happy to have. At Aragone Associates, we maximize value and minimize stress because strategy is what we do, including helping Orange County homeowners understand what staying is actually costing them. We're here when you're ready. Share this with someone who's been putting off the downsizing conversation. The cost of waiting is real, and most people haven't done the math. See you next time.